Think you're not creative, that all the genius ideas happen to other people. What if I told you your brain is already capable of generating brilliant ideas, and it's mostly about how you use it? Here's the secret. Creativity isn't magic. It's a skill, and it's about connecting things you already know in new ways. The problem is, most people try to force ideas while their brain is overloaded, stressed, or distracted. Step 1, give your brain space. Go for a walk, take a shower, or just stare out the window. Some of the best ideas come when you're not trying at all. Step 2, collect ideas everywhere. Read, watch, listen, take notes. Every tiny observation can become a seed for something bigger. Your brain loves connections, it's like mental Lego. The more pieces you have, the more creative structures you can build. Step 3, combine, remix, and question. Ask yourself, what happens if I mix these two things? What if I remove this part? Can I do the opposite? Genius ideas often come from strange combinations or breaking the rules. Step 4, give yourself permission to be wrong. Most people kill their own creativity by judging their ideas too soon. Let them flow, write them down, and refine later. Step 5, use small time windows, 30 minutes to brainstorm with focus. Your brain loves deadlines. It works better under small pressure than long, endless thinking sessions. So remember, you don't need to be born creative. You just need the right approach. Space, observation, combination, experimentation, and focus. Do this consistently, and you'll surprise yourself. Genius ideas aren't reserved for a few people. They're waiting inside your brain, ready to be discovered.